Hey guys, Wishing Gamer 3 here, playing a second Lumber Tycoon 2. Oh, you leave a like and a subscribe. I'm gonna go get lava wood so I could go get more monies. Okay. Currently, I'm just gonna get lava wood and process it and sell it for more monies. And what should I try to reach in this video? And should I don't want to get copyrighted. Sorry guys about the music. I didn't want to get copyrighted by it. If you guys do want music, then leave a comment down below. I ain't that good to get lava wood, so this is like my third time getting it, which I'm gonna try to make it. Oh, no, guys, I just had lag, I just had lag, I just had lag, I just had lag, I just had lag. Come on, come on, come on. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. Guys, I made it for lava wood. Woo, woo! Oh yeah, I should have my lights on, so I could see in the dark. And should I get a trailer or I want to know what the green wood and the gold wood is and the blue wood, every type of wood. Lag. Sorry about the lag, guys. I'm sorry. And I really want a fire axe. If you guys would donate one to me. And if you guys want to add me on Roblox so we can play this together. So yeah. Need to drop it a little bit more. Chopping, chopping, chopping. Happy na 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 na. I about fell off a cliff, off a cliff, off a cliff. I about fell off a cliff. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh my! I about this. Tell me a better way how to turn around. Guys, please. And tell me where I could get the fire axe. And leave a like and a subscribe. Happy blue da 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 da. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. No 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 no. I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy, and I'm happy, and I know it. I'm happy, and I know it. And I'm gonna have to go on the boat. Hit it, kabang. Waiting, waiting, these are my last couple of trees that I'm gonna be chopping, 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 chopping. This is my last tree. If you want me to cut down some more, leave some comments down below. Na 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 na. How much money do you think I would get? Leave a comment down below. And I want to try to get to 10 subscribers. Sorry about the background though. And can you guys leave some comments down below where you could get the roofing for your house? So yeah, that's what I want to know down below. Because I don't know where to get the roofing for my house. And tell me to add some furniture in my house down in the comments below. And if you guys want to donate some money or stuff, I would be happy to get some money. Na 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 na. Bye! I was talking to my trees, guys. Incredible! And guys, should I use my saw for cutting these up into smaller chunks or my axe? Down it goes, time to jump off the cliff with my longbow. Incredible! Guys, did you just see that? I got my truck unstuck. Do you think I did a good job, guys? You should try to hit a ledge so you could try to get your truck off. Tell me what the new update is, when the new update is coming, guys. Because I want to know sooner or later. Because if you guys donate stuff to me for free, I would be happy for some free stuff. Okay, time to go into the That guy has a very, very good base. I'm just now. Should I expand my land now or later? Sorry guys, I'm mean because I don't like people stealing my stuff. And if you guys are playing, you just have to come to my base. Look for a red house and so yeah, and I would add you as a friend. And what should I build my roof out of? Redwood or whitewood? I just had a little bit of lag. Guys, I'm sorry about the lag. And I have a private server for my viewers if they want to come and play with me. So yeah. What shall I build my house out of? And should I expand my land? Or save up my money for 320,000? Or keep on going up and up and up and up for a lot more money? So yeah. I'm sorry about the tree spread around. And I'm so sorry about the lag. And I like lava.